Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn more about the narrative tenses, including past simple, past continuous, and past perfect tense. After that, we'll take a virtual tour together, and then we will write about a virtual traveling experience using the narrative tenses we've just learned. Exciting, isn't it? So, without much further ado, let's take out Unit 3 of the Independent Learning Resources and turn to page 2. On page 2, part B, as you can see, it focuses on the differences between past simple and past continuous tense. You may find it quite difficult to determine when to use which tense correctly. So, let's compare the two examples in the table. The first sentence says that the bus driver was focusing on steering the double-decker bus while the two passengers were fighting over the priority seat. The use of past continuous, that is, was focusing and were fighting, indicates that the two actions are going on at that particular moment in the past. In other words, it means that they are happening at the same time. What you might want to take note of here is that the connective or conjunction while is used to indicate two parallel actions. When we look at the second sentence, the bus driver focused on steering the double-decker bus and the two passengers fought over the priority seat. The two main verbs in the two clauses are both in simple past tense. The change of tense from past continuous to past simple gives a distinctive context to the readers. The past simple conveys a sense of completion. So, the second sentence is merely a statement or a recount of a finished event describing two past actions. You may have also noticed that the connective used in the second sentence, instead of while, is the conjunction and, which connects the two past actions. Generally, both when and while conjunctions are related to past tense. Whereas while emphasizes an act at a certain time or continues in a set time frame, when is used for past actions that do not last, or immediate actions. Hence, in the second sentence, it is also possible to replace and with when. That is, the bus driver focused on steering the double-decker bus when the two passengers fought over the priority seat. It is not necessary to always place two ongoing parallel events in one sentence, however. When there is only one past action in the sentence, the choice of past continuous tense is to emphasize the action in progress. The next sentence shows this emphasis of state at definite times in the past. At 9 p.m. last Monday, I was waiting on the MTR platform due to signaling failure. As you can see, the action was waiting happens at a specific time in the past, at 9 p.m., which indicates the event was not completed at the given time. It was in progress. Please note that when we want to emphasize a main event, we tend to use the past simple to show its importance. Well, you may wonder, what about past perfect simple tense? On page 4 of Unit 3, it states clearly that the past perfect simple is used to sequence events, to show which events happened first. The two sentences in the table show the difference in the use of past simple and past perfect simple. The Alpine train departed when the train conductor blew the whistle. The Alpine train had departed when I arrived. The first sentence, in past simple, states two completed actions without emphasizing importance or sequencing. The two actions, departed and blew the whistle, happened simultaneously. But in the second sentence, with the use of past perfect simple, the events are in a specific order. The action in past perfect simple, had departed, happened first. The action in past simple, arrived, happened next. This means that the person missed the train. In summary, past continuous indicates ongoing, in-progress action. Past simple states the fact or indicates importance. Past perfect simple shows events in a sequence.
Now that we have learned the different functions of the narrative tenses, let's try to apply them in the writing. If you look at page 6, the instructions state very clearly that we are to first recall a past travel experience. So, in the 200-word writing task, we can introduce a travel destination we had been to in the past. Recalling the past travel experience means we need to use mainly the narrative tenses. Please bear that in mind. Now, I will revisit the destination together with you by going on Google Maps.
We are now in Prague virtually. Let's go to world-renowned tourist spot, Charles Bridge. Let's look at Charles Bridge in Street View and walk along the bridge. Here are some fun facts about Charles Bridge. Charles Bridge is the oldest bridge still standing over the Vltava River in Prague, and the second oldest bridge in the Czech Republic. Charles IV had it built in 1357, after the previous bridge, Judith Bridge, had been destroyed by floods in 1342. And, until 1841, it was the only bridge over the Vltava River in Prague. Now I've refreshed my memory of my trip to Prague, here are some sentences I wrote, following the instructions on page 6. I had travelled to Prague in 2018 before COVID-19 hit the globe and changed our way of life completely. On Charles Bridge, I saw some beautiful statues and had a nice view of the castle. Now that you know how to navigate on Google Maps, why don't you go to your favourite travelling destination and write about it? Don't forget to book a session with a vet, maybe it's me, to share your fun experience with us.
That's it for today, so thanks for watching. See you next time.